Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demo my stock prediction model. I've given the name MoneyPlant. So this stock prediction model, let's go a little on that, like how I made it. So basically, the entire stock prediction model is made through the Python, where basically I used AI ML model, different model I tried, like support vector regression, linear regression. I also tried CBoost, LSTM. So whichever model gives me the perfect result, I train all those models, and then after taking that model, what I did, I used Streamlit app. Basically, once the model is trained, I save those models. So I created through the Streamlit is like a tool where it gives you the platform to create web app through that whatever Python code you have. So in that Python code, basically I'm what I'm doing based on whatever stock you want and time frame. So you select the stock, it goes, and based on the train model you try to predict the value. And so entire thing is built first locally, and then everything looked fine. Then what I did, I put that thing into the cloud, AWS, and then after putting into AWS, I ran through Streamlit the same thing there. And after running that, basically it will give you that wherever we are running, like after running it 501 port will normally it runs, but here I have already had the domain name, so I just map those domain name with whatever IP Streamlit app was giving. Okay, so let's go over the instruction first. Okay, select first we normally I selected all the BSE 500 stock. So once I select normally, then close price graph will appear. Okay, and then after selecting that, I select the time frame of the prediction. Once I select, like let's say I want weekly or monthly price. After selecting the price, I have added one more step where you can check the accuracy, how based on my model prediction, how the accuracy is coming for the last 60 weeks. And if you are comfortable, then click predict the future, and you can see that. So let's get going, and if you go run the app, so if you see here, I can select any stock. Okay, the prediction might vary because I trained on some of the stocks, and then it might not perform well on all the stock. But let's see, I selecting any stock. Normally I train on some Reliance Industries, and then a couple of more, and then after that I use that. So let's selecting the ICICI Bank. So once I select that, the ticker will come. This is normally showing the close price. This Streamlit is showing the interactive graph, how the close price is varying over the years based on the data I have. Then I select the time frame. Let's say I'm selecting a week time frame. So I can first check the accuracy, how my model is behaving up for the weekly. So giving like a very good result. I will say 96% accuracy. If you see the graph, like my actual my predicted value and actual value is kind of correlated. You can see they are matching very much. So if you are comfortable with accuracy, then you can predict the future. So let's predict the future, how weekly the entire chart will do. So if you see here, right, so till 3rd October we had data. So next week I'm predicting that the value for this stock will be around 819. So yeah, if same thing, I think if you want the monthly time frame, select the monthly time frame. And then here also accuracy will vary a lot. Because month end and month's prediction and stock prediction will vary. So if you see the graph here, the accuracy is not that great. Weekly prediction accuracy was around 96, so here is 92, but kind of able to find out where is up and down. And if you're comfortable, just predict the future. You click on the predict the future, you can see what the like 14 October I'm expecting this price, and then 8:30, 21 October. So it's all giving the value. So yeah, hope you like it. So I can show you the source code. Let's load little. So first, what I am trying to do, I am trying to load input data. I am trying to calculate some value, moving average, simple average, weighted average and equivalent. First I created the based on the window, what is the data, preparing the data. After creating the data, I'm filtering based on the stock, and then I'm creating the test data. Test data is created, I'm checking the mod based on the model, like how the prediction is giving. If comfortable, then based on the month or week, it's trying to predict the future, and then I'm plotting those data. So and then here, so yeah. Uh, if you want more detail how I did it, I think we can discuss it. If you have any suggestion or like something which you want me to improve in this app, definitely I can do that. Let's see one more ticker. Let's see, I'm selecting uh, anything. Uh, okay, I can select the stock, then based on that I accuracy, and then I can select the time frame, and then I can predict the future. So yeah, hope you so I will give this link, and then you can see and like experiment if you want. And yeah, if any suggestion, let me know. Thank you for watching this demo. uh, I think I wanted to make this demo a little bit short, so I don't want to go over any like how I did it. I mean, if it's required, we can have another video. But this is how the entire my model, cluster prediction model works, and I deployed through Streamlit, EC2, and use Route 53 for DNS. Yeah.